What's up everyone, this is Shaheen and we're going to talk about a new topic and it's called how to find downloads on your iPhone. So most probably some users get having a lot of doubts when they download something and where they have to locate it. So this video is going to help you guys out, and the first one is all about you just need to go over here in Safari, whatever it is and whatever you wanted to download. So just go over here and just download the respective one. And now as you can see, when you click on the download, you can see that it's getting completely downloaded. And once it's successfully downloaded, it is done. You just need to follow the next instruction. The next instruction is all about we have to navigate to the files over here. As you can see, you just need to tap over here in the files, and by default this is what it looks like. So most probably when you download something, if it's a video, if it's an image, or if it's in any kind of files, it will be over here in the recent, and where you can play it up. As you can see right now, this is being saved over here. But sometimes some users get up in having a doubt, it end up in saving in somewhere else. So I'm going to show you that as well. So what you need to do is we just need to go over here in the browse, and as you can see we have two options. That the first one is iCloud Drive and on my iPhone. So the first one you have to tap over here in the on my iPhone, and now from here we just need to go over here in the downloads, and as you can see most probably it will be downloaded or saved over here. Sometimes even most of the cases in what I have to say is out of 10 out of 10 it will be over here, but in some cases accidentally it will be saved over here in the iCloud Drive, and you have to tap on this one and tap on the downloads and it will be saved over here as well. So most probably this is how it looks like, and most probably either it will be saved in on my iPhone downloads or it's been saved in the iCloud Drive, or in most cases it will be saved over here itself. So this is how you can find any files downloaded on your iPhone, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.